Okay, so to convert to the modular coding, first of all, let's update the entity. So let me open the entity. I'll copy. Then I will update my configuration manager. So this is the method. Let's try to copy. And let me mention it here. I also need to import OS and training configuration. So let me import them. Import OS. Anything else I need? No, I think everything is fine. Now let's update my component. So let's create one file inside component called training. Or I can name it as model trainer. I think that would be better. Model underscore trainer. Okay. So now here I'm going to paste the code, whatever I have written here. So anything else I need the path library. And I also need the training configuration. So let me import. So from path lib import path. Then from CNN classifier dot entity dot config entity import training config. Okay, so yes, it's done. Now let me save. Now let's create the pipeline. So here stage 03 model trainer. Fine. So this is my pipeline. You can see. So you can see I'm importing all of the required package. Stage name is training, and this is my pipeline. Okay. So yes, it's done. Now what I will do, I will add it to the endpoint. So let's open my main.py. So let me import this model trainer pipeline. And now let's execute the model trainer. Okay, that's it. Now let me test whether it's working or not. I'll delete that effect. Now let me execute it again. And this is the model summary, guys. Okay, so these are the parameter, total trainable parameter 50,178, and these are the total parameter of the model. So you can see training has started. Completed. Now if I open the artifact, data ingestion done, prepare base model done, training is also done. Everything is working fine. Now in the next stage, we'll be creating the evaluation component.